Yo, what's up guys? It's me, Chef Nell Sasson, and today I'm making the Excellent challenge from Regular Show. This recipe includes baking powder, salt, pepper, all-purpose flour, eggs, bell peppers, unsalted butter, mushrooms, 1 onion, and whole milk. Preheat your oven at 450 degrees Fahrenheit. In a large bowl, whisk in 2 cups of AP flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 4 teaspoons of baking powder. Now, cut a stick of cold, unsalted butter into cubes and mix it with your fingers until the mixture resembles coarse crumbs. Once the mixture has assembled into coarse crumbs, add 3/4 cups of cold milk and stir until just combined. Get yourself a floured surface, roll out your dough into a 3/4 inch thick rectangle, then cut out your biscuits using a biscuit cutter. I'm using a ramekin because I don't have one of those. Just be sure to flour it before cutting it. Place your biscuits on a baking sheet and drizzle them with butter and parsley flakes. Now bake them for 12 to 15 minutes or until golden brown. While those are baking, drizzle some oil in the pan and let your peppers saute with some chopped mushrooms. Once you've sauteed your peppers and mushrooms, get a bowl full of 12 eggs, whisk them, and then put a dash of salt and pepper. Add your eggs to the pan and let the flavors dance together. When making scrambled eggs and adding extra stuff to it, you always want to use your spatula by pushing the egg mixture to the middle and by scraping the sides. Alright, to be the first to slay the dragon and be excellent, you must get yourself a plate and place your eggs, chili, cheese, and biscuits. And don't forget your fruit bowl on the side. Este plato se llama el desafío excelente. Alright guys, the Excellent challenge is done. And I also got a fruit bowl right here. Basically it's just watermelon. Alright, I'm gonna try it now and I won't cap. Eggs and chili together. I don't know, but we'll see. Oh my goodness. This is fire. I mean, as a kid, I never thought of ever putting chili on eggs, but it's actually really good. Alright, and now the biscuit. Alright, now the biscuit, that really goes. And like, I put some mushrooms in here too. You know, the mushroom, when you have an omelet, you always gotta put mushrooms in it. Mushrooms, peppers, salt and pepper. So good. And nothing like some good watermelon on a summer day. So good. It's really refreshing too. I'm gonna tell you guys this right now, but these recipes from Regular Show have been on its peak for a long time. They know what they're doing. As a kid, whenever I went out for breakfast, I always wanted to get something like this all the time. But now that I'm a chef, I know how to make it and I can really just do whatever. But nobody has ever done the Excellent challenge. And to be honest with you, I'm not really doing the Excellent challenge because, come on, that's too much. But if you guys don't know what it is, the Excellent challenge is pretty much a food eating competition. It's where you eat 12 eggs, chili, cheese, 2 biscuits, and a fruit bowl. And you gotta finish it in a short period of time. So, yeah. And I'm gonna tell you guys right now, this chili, I can't get over it. And if you guys want to know how I make this chili, go to my other YouTube video that I made a couple months ago called the Easy Chili Cheese Fries from Ben 10. And that is where you see the technique of how I made it. Alright guys, this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching, and please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace!